I'm gonna talk about the arithmetic sequence. Now, what exactly is the arithmetic sequence? It is a progression of terms or numbers that has a constant common difference between each term. Now, whenever you add it, you're supposed to get the same term. So this is the formula for the arithmetic sequence. So I labeled it out for you. The nth term, which represents any particular number, and the first term, which is the number that comes in first in your arithmetic sequence. So D is your common difference, and that's the formula for the arithmetic sequence. Given this example, we're going to determine if this is an arithmetic sequence or not. So 7, 10, 13, and 16. I'm assuming that the common difference is 3, since you're going to be adding up each term with 3. So 7 plus 3 equals 10. 10 plus 3 equals 13. And 13 plus 3 equals 16. So that's how you're going to determine if a particular sequence is arithmetic or not, if there is a common difference. So that should qualify as an arithmetic sequence. Next, we're going to find the 15th term if given the first term is 18 and our common difference as 4. So we don't know yet what the nth term is, so we're just gonna it just shows us that you have to find 15 consecutive terms, and you're gonna find the 15th one. And here we have the formula for the arithmetic sequence, and if you're gonna apply those numbers to that formula, that's what it's gonna look like. So since we're looking for the 15th term, AN is gonna become A15, and 18 is our first term, and our common difference is 4. And that's what's gonna happen next. We're gonna subtract 15 minus 1 equals 14, then multiply that by 4. Then the answer should be 56, and then we're gonna sum it up with 18, and that should leave us with 74. So we can say that the 15th term of this sequence is 74. Next, we're going to find the nth term formula. With this sequence, 12, 19, 26, 33, and 40. So that leaves us with 7 is our common difference, since we're adding up each term. 12 plus 7 is 19. 19 plus 7 is 26. 26 plus 7 is 33, and so on and so on. And the first term it shows us is 12. So we're going to look for the formula of the nth term. So there we go. We're just gonna apply it automatically. It should look like that. We don't even know the nth term yet. We're going to figure that out later. So let's solve for the formula of the nth term. For us to do that, we have to distribute or multiply 7 by n and by 1, which leaves us um, with this right here. So since we cannot allow 7n to interact with other numbers because of the presence of the n variable, so we're gonna put 7n right there, down there, and we're gonna subtract 12 and 7, which leaves us 5. Fine. This time we're gonna find the 20th term of this arithmetic sequence. So 8, 14, 20, 26, and 32. We need to find the 20th term. So there's the formula, and we're gonna apply that to that formula, and so you get the whole picture. We're gonna find the 20th term, so put that in the end right there, and since the first number of the sequence is 8, so we're gonna put our first term 8, and our common difference is 6, since if we add 8 and 6, we're gonna get 14, and so on. So same thing really. You're gonna subtract 20 and 1, and that leaves you with 19, and afterwards you're gonna multiply that by 6, and which leaves you with an answer of 114, and then you're gonna add that with 8, and we can say that the 20th term is the 122. So the 20th term of this arithmetic sequence is 122. Thanks a lot to my partner Sandra for helping me out with the editing and stuff, and thank you guys so much for taking time to view this video. Really means a lot to our grades and to us. Thank you so much. God bless.